Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Ewa channel. My name is Marwa, aka Miss English Teacher. In today's video, you are going to learn 10 different meanings of the verb go.
Go for broke.
Go ahead.
Just go with the flow.
And before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so that YouTube can recommend our videos to other learners like you and help thousands around the world learn English. First meaning, to move or travel from one place to another. We use go to. That is for destinations or specific places. For example,
I go to modeling school.
School is my destination. There's this traveling movement. Let's go to the park this weekend. Again, go to the park. The park is our destination. Now, I want you to pay attention to the following. I hear a lot of people say, let's go to home. This is a very common mistake. Home is an exception, and we're going to say, let's go home. 2. When you use go plus ing, it means you're going to engage in a particular activity or action.
Grandpa, can we go fishing tomorrow?
We went camping. Camping is the activity in the ing form, and we use go. We went camping by the lake last summer. Other activities that take go are dancing, jogging, running, hiking, riding, cycling, climbing.
Let's go dancing.
The following one is go with. That is to be acceptable or suitable. Let's look at the example. We say, that dress goes perfectly with your shoes. Let's have another example. The tie goes with this suit.
Which novelty tie goes better with the suit?
Okay, fourth meaning. We use go plus an adjective to describe changes to the state of things. What does that mean? Let's look at the example. Don't let the coffee go cold. Another example. Their car went wrong again just 2 days after it had been repaired. See, change of state. It went wrong again. And that brings us to our fifth meaning. That is the expression to go broke.
Oh, I won't be able to enjoy it knowing that we're going broke.
To go broke means if a company or a person goes broke, they lose money and are unable to continue in business or to pay their debts. Sixth use of verb go. Go for. It's used to express the purpose or intention behind an action.
Go for gold!
I go for a walk to relax. Seventh, go ahead. If I say go ahead, it means proceed or start doing something. Example, you can go ahead and start the presentation.
Go ahead, play whatever you want.
Eighth meaning, go for it.
Go for it.
When you say go for it, you want to encourage someone to take a risk or pursue something.
Go for it! Do a trick!
Ninth meaning, go the extra mile. It means to make an additional effort or go beyond what is expected.
It's called going the extra mile.
Let's look at this example. If you want to succeed in your career, you need to go the extra mile.
If you want something, you have to be willing to go the extra mile.
And if you want to succeed in learning English, all you need to do is download the Ewa app. You can find the link in the description below. And trust me, you don't need to go the extra mile. All you need to do is practice every day a little. 10th expression with the verb go. Go with the flow. Go with the flow.
Just go with the flow.
It means to be flexible and to adapt to the new situation or follow the prevailing trend. An example would be great here. When traveling to a new country, it's best to go with the flow and embrace the local customs. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. In my next video, I will be explaining to you 5 meanings of the verb have. So go ahead, click here.